Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete voice recording on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, we will need to delete the voice recording, then delete it permanently. So, to delete voice recordings on iPhone, you need to be in your Voice Memos app. So locate and tap the Voice Memos app icon on your iPhone's home screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your voice recordings in the app. Each recording will display its title, date, and length. You can play your voice recording to make sure to select the right voice recording for deletion. Once you have the right voice recording, slide your finger from right to left across the recording you want to delete. A red delete button will appear. Tap to confirm deletion. Alternatively, you can delete using the following steps. On your voice memo, open the specific recording you want to delete. You will now see various buttons at the bottom of the voice memo you just selected. So just tap the trash button, and just like that, it will be deleted. When you delete a recording, it is moved to a recently deleted folder within the Voice Memos app. So just tap the back icon at the top left corner. Here you will see a folder called Recently Deleted. Open it. Now tap the voice recording you just deleted. You now have a delete button. Tap on it. Then tap Delete Forever. That is how to permanently delete voice recordings on iPhone. And thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.